Coach O, now I get to your PVL stint.
Yeah.
And the reason why people are excited for the UAP for Ateneo, part of that is, kasi ang ganda nung pinakita nyo sa PVL. Reaching all the way to the finals or reaching the finals, and you admit that that's going beyond even your personal expectations.
Well, I guess it's about the players. It's not about me. It's about them, that they really want it. They really want to show everybody that they can do it. Me, I'm just an instrument. I'm just there to galit, to make galit to them na pagalitan sila, ito ang kailangan gawin. But for me, the players really want it. Yung iba may new roles sa team, yung iba may new roles as a leader. So they really want, bago sa atin to, then we really have to do it and really show everybody that we can do it. Ang like ko na sinasabi sa kanila, you don't have to prove anybody. You have to prove to yourself that you can do it. And they accepted it. They want it and they do it. And with the faith they having, I guess, yun nga, umabot kami sa finals.
And now your players have to prove that they can survive, because you have parang 2 phases of training camp.
Yeah.
You have your training camp here in Manila, and I'm more interested actually in your Japan training camp. So when is this going to happen?
After the New Year's break, we'll be going there. And we already talked about my program going to the Japan stint. I requested kung ano naman dapat ko i-request sa mga Japanese coaches there in the program. And I guess, pagdating namin doon, we're on the same page, and they really want to help the Ateneo Lady Eagles in our UAP campaign.
Are you not a little bit worried, Coach O, na because of the PVL success, syempre, tumaas yung expectation, natural.
Of course.
Okay pala si Coach O, pwede tayo pag-champion ka agad nito.
Yes.
Are you not a bit worried na baka expectations might be too high for the UAP?
Yes, we accept the fact that the expectations are too high, but I always tell to my players that just train hard, sacrifice, and don't think about anybody. Just think about yourselves and think that kailangan makabawi sa UAP and prove na yung ginawa namin sa PVL is not a fluke, but we can go on with this UAP campaign.
Meron bang battle cry ang Ateneo Lady Eagles? Meron ka naman parang slogan na naisip para sa kanila?
Well, sa ngayon wala pa naman, but we always say that we just have to want it and ask for it.
Ayan, medyo nakita ko na yung medyo intense na Coach O. Masanay ako na yung Coach O nagiging emotional eh. Coach Oliver Almadro and the Ateneo Lady Eagles getting ready for the UAAP volleyball season. Coach O, maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Miko.
Good luck.
Good luck. Thank you.